Okay, you may go back to your seats. Parents, you may now be seated. Dear parents and guardians, today we stand here not just as graduates, but as sons and daughters na bunga ng inyong pagmamahal. Sakripisyo at walang sawang suporta. Thank you is not enough to express how grateful we are. Maraming salamat po sa inyo, sa puyat, sa pagod na hindi ninyo na ipapakita, at sa lahat ng sakripisyong ginawa ninyo para lang maabot namin ang pangarap na to. Thank you for choosing us every single day. Kahit mahirap, kahit nakakapagod, at kahit minsan hindi naman namin sinasabi kung gaano namin kayo na-appreciate, kayo po ang unang naniwala sa amin. And with that, we are deeply thank you. Kayo ang unang naniwala sa amin ng mga panahong kami mismo sa sarili namin ay may pagdududa kung makakamit ba namin ang mga pangarap namin. And some parents or guardians were stand of the way, yung presence sa bawat laban at bawat panalo. And some parents and guardians supported from afar, like mine. Pero kahit malayo, ramdam na ramdam namin ang pagmamahal ninyo. At para man sa mga magulang at guardians na hindi namin kasama ngayon, we know that your love never left us. Nandito kayo sa puso namin, giving us strength. So to all parents here today, to all parents and guardians, this achievement is not ours alone. It is yours too. Wala po kami kung wala kayo. So today, we honor you, we celebrate you, and we thank you. At ipinagmamalaki namin kayo, tulad ng ipinagmamalaki ninyo kami. From the bottom of our hearts, maraming salamat po. And I would also like to extend my greatest gratitude to all my family. Thank you for always supporting and guiding me. To my uncle, to Kuya Piggy, and my niece Chari, thank you. I hope I made you all proud. And to my dad in heaven, this achievement is not mine alone. It is yours too. To all parents here today, this achievement we achieved is not just a symbol of our hard work, but also a reflection to your love, faith, and sacrifices. We are standing here because you never give up on us. So today, we honor you, we celebrate you from the deepest parts of our hearts. To everyone who became part of my journey, Ma'am Girly, to all my friends, Jaira, Adi, Rochelle, Jamar, to all Joy, to all the BB family, Sir Rafi, Ma'am Jai, Sir Joven, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Again, congratulations to all of us, as most especially congratulations to our parents. Thank you and God bless us all.